Hello everyone, I welcome you all to PR Welcome CBSE School Moodle online classes. In previous class we discussed 11th problem of exercise 6.3. Today I will continue with 12th problem. So here in 12th problem they are given these two triangles and sides AB and BC. Here in this triangle AB and BC and median AD. AD is the median of triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, there are two sides AB and BC, and AD is the median. Are respectively proportional to sides of PQ and QR. Here, sides of PQ and QR here, and median PM. This is the median PM. AB and BC, here PQ and QR, and median AD and PM. Of triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. We have to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Here, what I have given here is AB and PQ, BC and QR, and these two medians AD and PM are proportional. But here we have to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So here we know that to prove this, medians divide opposite sides. Always these medians divide opposite sides. Therefore, what we can write here? Here we will write medians divide opposite sides. Always medians divide opposite sides. Therefore, we can write here BD is equals to this BD is equals to BC by 2, because always this median divides opposite sides. Therefore, this BD is equal to BC by 2. Like that only, what we can write? QM is equal to this. QM is equals to, and QM is equals to QR by 2. QM is equal to QR by 2. So now, by using this, again what they are given here? They are given that AB by PQ, AB by PQ equals to, like that only, BC by QR, this side, BC by QR, BC by QR equals to, here, AD by PM, this is given. All these sides are proportional, means this is equal, AB by PQ, BC by QR, AD by PM, this is given. Okay, so now what we can write here? I will multiply to BC and QR by 1 by 2. Here also I will multiply by 1 by 2. Here also 1 by 2. So here I will write, what we can write? AB by PQ equals to 1 by 2 into BC into 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. Here I will write. First, AB by PQ, AB by PQ equals to, here BC by QR. Here to both sides I will multiply 1 by 2 only. 1 by 2 into BC, 1 by 2 into BC divided by, like that only, 1 by 2 into QR. 1 by 2 into QR. So here what I did, I multiplied 1 by 2 to both BC and QR. If you divide this 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, you will again get BC by QR only. So there is no change. Just I multiplied 1 by 2 to both BC and QR. Now equals to AD by PM. AD by PM. Why you multiplied here 1 by 2 and 1 by 2? Here we know BC by 2 means BD is the answer. Like that only QR by 2. 1 by 2 into QR means QR by 2 means QM is the answer. So here we can write that. What you can write? AB by PQ. I have written it as it is only AB by PQ. And here 1 by 2 BC means what you can write? 1 by 2 BC means BC by 2 only. 1 into BC by 2. BC by 2 means BD is the answer. Therefore, this is equal to BD and 1 by 2 QR means QR by 2 means QM is the answer. Therefore, here you can write QM equals to AD by PM. Remaining AD by PM. What we did here in this step, in the place of 1 by 2 BC means BC by 2 means BD. Here we have written BD and 1 by 2 QR means QR by 2. QR by 2 means QM is the answer. Here we have written QM. Therefore, in triangle ABD and PQM, now we can see here in triangle ABD and PQM, what they are given? In triangle ABD and PQM, ABD and triangle PQM. So here we proved here what is that? This AB by PQ. AB by PQ is equals to BD by QM means this BD by QM and remaining side this AD by PM. AD by PM. This is proved. Therefore, what you can write here? Therefore, triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM by side because all these sides are proportional. Corresponding sides are proportional. Therefore, by side yes means side. These two triangles are similar. So now, if these two triangles means ABD and PQM are similar to each other, then we can write here that angle ABD, this angle is equals to angle PQM. Angle ABD is equals to angle PQM. These two angles are equal because angle ABD is equal to angle PQM. Because these two angles are corresponding parts of similar triangles. We know that corresponding angles of similar triangles are always equal. Therefore, here ABD is equals to PQM. So now, what we have to prove here? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Now, by using this, we can prove that. Consider now triangle ABC and triangle PQR. First here we know that AB by PQ is equals to BC by QR. Here AB by PQ is equals to BC by QR. They have given that AB by BC is equal to PQ by QR. Again they have given that AD by PM means these two medians, but we don't want these medians To prove ABC and PQR are similar, because this AD and PM are not sides, these two are not sides of triangle ABC and PQR. Therefore, we will not consider AD and PM, because these two are not sides of triangle ABC and PQR. Now I will only consider this AB, PQ and BC, QR. So here I will write AB by PQ is equals to BC and QR. Here two sides are proportional. Now we know that here we proved by CPST angle ABD is equal to angle PQM. Angle, here I write angle ABD equals to angle PQM. This is also true. So here these two sides are proportional, this AB and PQ, and these two angles are equal, and here BC and QR are proportional. Therefore here one side, two sides and one angle are equal. Therefore we can write that these two triangles ABC and PQ are similar. Here I will write triangle ABC is similar to angle PQR by side angle side. Means here this side angle and side. By side angle side we can prove that, we can tell that ABC is similar to PQR. See here again what they are given, this AB and PQ, here AB by PQ, and this BC by QR, this BC and QR, and median AD by PM, this median AD by PM are proportional. We have to prove ABC is similar to PQR. If they are given AC by PR, then directly we can write ABC is ABC is similar to PQR. But what they are given here, this medians, they are not given side AC and PR. So now to prove triangle ABC and PQR are similar, what we did here, we have written what they are given, and medians always divide opposite sides. Therefore this BD is equal to BC by 2, like that only QM is equal to QR by 2, and here in the place of BC and QR we can multiply 1 by 2 to both sides. Therefore what we will get, 1 by 2 BC by 1 by 2 QR. Means if you divide 1 by 2 we will get BC by QR only. So there is no change. So now here AB by PQ is equals to 1 by 2 BC means BC by 2. So BC by 2 means BD. Here in the place of 1 by 2 BC we can write BD, and QM 1 by 2 QR means QR by 2. Here QR by 2 means we can write QM, and they are given AD by PM. So here these three sides are proportional. Here AB, AD and BD. Here PQ, PM and QM. These three sides are proportional. Therefore this triangle ABD is proportional to, similar to PQM. Why we have to prove this ABD is similar to PQM? Because by using this we can prove that angle B is equals to angle Q. So here in first step only they have given these two sides and these two sides are proportional. If we prove these two angles are equal, then we can say that by side angle side these two triangles are similar. Therefore here we got angle ABD is equals to angle PQM by corresponding parts of similar triangles. If these two angles are equal, then in triangle ABC and PQM they are given that these two sides and these two sides are proportional. Here I have written AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR, and This angle ABD is equals to PQM. Therefore, by side angle side, we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So now I will continue with 13th problem. For 13th problem, this is the diagram. What I have given here, D is a point on the side BC. D is point on side BC of triangle ABC. D is the point on side BC and of side BC of triangle ABC, such that here angle ADC is equals to BAC. ADC is equals to BAC. This is given. ADC is equal to BAC. Show that CA square equals to CB dot CA square equals to CB dot CD. CA square is equals to CB dot CD. We have to prove that. Now, so to prove this, first I will consider two triangles here, ADC and BAC. Here, this ADC and BAC. In triangle ADC and BAC. If we prove these two triangles are similar, then we know that corresponding sides are proportional. So we can write corresponding sides of these two triangles. They are proportional. By using that, we can prove that CA square is equal to CB dot CD. Now, in triangle ADC and BAC, they are given that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. Angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. Therefore, here I will write angle ADC is equals to angle BAC. This is given. And here in triangle ADC also angle C is there. In triangle ADC and in triangle BAC there is also angle C is there. So now we can write this angle C is common in both triangles. Angle C is equals to angle C. This is common in both triangles. Therefore, what you can write? Triangle ADC is similar to triangle BAC by angle. These two angles are equal, therefore these two triangles are similar. If these two triangles are similar, then what you can write here? If these two triangles are similar, then corresponding sides are proportional. Here I will write corresponding sides of these two triangles. CA by CB. Here CA by CB. This CA by CB. CA of triangle ADC and CB of triangle BAC. CA by CB equals to CD by CA. Here CD of triangle ADC, CD by CA, CA of triangle BAC. So now we have written corresponding sides of these two triangles which are required to prove CA square is equal to CB dot CD. So now by using this we can prove this easily. But to write this, You can write in another way also. We will get same thing. CA square is equals to CB dot CD. Without observing this triangle, we can directly write CA by CB is equal to CD by CA. How? We proved that these two triangles are similar. When these two triangles are similar, we know that corresponding sides are proportional. Therefore, without observing this figure, we have to prove this only. CA square is equal to CB dot CD. We have to prove this only. CA square is equal to CB dot CD. To prove this, how to write this? CA square is equals to CB dot CD means CA. First, I will consider this CB here, left hand side. CA dot CA by CB. When you cross multiply, CB will come upper side of right hand side. Therefore, CA by I will consider below the CA. Therefore, CA by CB equals to here CD. I have to get here CD and another CA means here below the CD I will write CA means if you cross multiply these things here CA into CA square equals to CB into CD. When it comes here this denominator comes to left hand side. This if you consider this CA to left hand side, CA into CA which becomes CA square and this CB when it comes to right hand side CB into CD you get CB into CB only. Therefore, how to write this? Without observing this triangle, we have to prove this only. So, okay, I will write directly. How to write? First, CA square means first I have to consider CA and CB. I will consider CB as the denominator of CA because when we cross multiply CB will come upper part. Therefore, here CA by CB and CD as it is and we want another CA because there is CA square. Therefore, CD by CA. Now, if you cross multiply these things, what you will get? CA square equals to CA into CA square into CB dot here. When you move this CB to right hand side, it becomes CB into CD. When you move this CA to left hand side, CA into CA means CA square. Hence, we proved here I will write it directly. CA square equals to CB dot CD. So, without any confusion, to which sides we have to consider when two triangles are similar. Without any confusion, how to consider two corresponding sides? They have given that we have to prove this. By using this, I can directly write these things. CA by CB is equal to CD by CA. Therefore, if you cross multiply these things, what you will get? CA square is equals to CB dot CD. So here, what they have given, these two angles are similar, and we have to prove this. First, I considered ADC and BAC triangles. These two triangles are similar. If these two triangles are similar, then corresponding sides these are equal proportional. Therefore, what you got CA square is equal to CB dot CD is the answer. I hope you all are clear with these problems. In the next class, I will complete this exercise 6.3. Only 3 problems are remaining. There are 16 problems in 6.3. So we solved 13th one today. In the next class, we can complete exercise 6.3. Thank you all.